Working hard today. With yourself on my truck project. Got myself a couple of victories, but I worked for them. Let me tell you. Let me show you what the first problem is. Thinking that the seal was bad. I don't think the seal was bad, but I ended up taking it out for the seal and I'm replacing them. I'm waiting for another one. But see that? That came out by accident. I didn't mean for this to come out, the spider gear, but I'm glad it did. Clean and ready to go. A new spider gear. This pin that goes into this, so this right here, that needs to be replaced. So I bought another repair kit just for the pins. Do it yourself setback. So bam, I got the new one. That lied to me. I thought that was the one that you slap on and you take it out. That's the wrong seal. Though it says it fits, Amazon lied. That's the seal I need. Number 2, this is the wrong piece. Well, not really the wrong piece. It's the wrong piece. But I need this piece anyways. I got room in there now. I got room to mess with that. So I literally just fabricated that the last half hour, just banging away at it, making it work. So that's what I had to do. I earned this. So one thing went wrong. I did not have the 18mm wrench or even the socket. I cannot find, I mean, poof, they went 10mm missing in action, really. So I had to figure this out and do it with the adjustable wrench. So I got the mount. Yeah, that mount right there. Because one side is the 18mm, the other side, and it took forever to get them out. But I won the struggle. And check this out. So, as I suspected, that's the trouble for my problem with my oil. So I knew I was having an oil pressure problem, and look at that. I got tapeworm action in my thing. But I got it out. I got this down. And I had to leave my jack for that, to hold up the diff. So I did this, really. This is on the floor. So I did this whole thing on the floor. So, yeah. So that's a good, that's real deal. Go get it type stuff. And I don't even know what's inside there. I'm going to have to find out what's inside there. But yeah, so victory all around.